This product right here has saved me so many times, and trust me guys, if you're just a beginner or even if you're a pro and you don't have a large crew to record audio for you, I found that this is the most hassle-free way to capture audio using the Rode Wireless Go. And this review is not actually a technical review. I'll have links to much more technical reviews on this particular product in the description below, so if you want much more of detailed specs, you can check them out. However, this video is more of a practical approach. I'm just looking at how fun this is to just use it in the field to capture audio. And it mostly comes with a transmitter and a receiver. So the transmitter transmits all the audio signals from the person you are interviewing. When the person speaks, it sends the signals wirelessly to a receiver, which then is plugged to your camera or your phone, and then it records the audio. Now, it comes in a different configuration where you can have two microphones, and the two microphones here are all transmitters. You can hang one on subject A and hang another one on subject B, and then when they both talk, these two will transmit the audio to the one receiver which is on your camera or your phone, which in turn sends the audio signal into your camera. This is just hassle-free. You just turn it on and it just works. What makes this kit so versatile is the fact that the transmitters themselves are microphones. So instead of needing a lapel to plug it in, you can simply just hang the microphones themselves on the people and then just transmit the audio wirelessly straightforward. However, the downside of this is that, well, some people might find this very bulky, and even though it might not be heavy, it might be sagging, and probably if you have it in your footage, some people find it very distracting. That is where the versatility of this thing comes in, because you can also plug in a lapel microphone. Traditionally, we've become used to seeing lapel microphones and seeing this cube hanged on the person's shirt. So the clip is very good. I've never had a situation where I've clipped it on a subject and it has fallen before. So if you just need a ready go-to solution where you just hang it on people and straight away you are ready to go recording high quality audio without needing all the technical details, then the Rode Wireless Go 2 is something you should consider picking up, because trust me, that is certainly the most hassle-free way of capturing audio I've found in today's market. And over the years as a filmmaker doing this for over 15, 16 years, one thing that usually discourages me from using these so-called wireless microphones has been the issue of interference and also battery, because I really don't like my battery dying off in the middle of shoots. And trust me, the battery on this is pretty much very good. I've never had it dying off on me. It's a chargeable internal battery, and all you need to charge it is a Type-C cable. So there's a Type-C port where you can simply plug these things to charge. And the fact that the wireless spectrum on which these things transmit does not really run into so much interference, that is why for the first time I've become very accustomed to using wireless microphones, because I trust that this would definitely get the work done. So if you're a solo content creator and you travel around, you certainly need something like this. And as at the time of making this video, this is the current price that you can pick it up for. But if you're in Ghana and other areas and you do not have the money, I would do suggest that you can try this out, pick it up for rentals. And for the samples I used for this particular video, I picked this up at MCB Rentals. And guys, this is not a sponsored video. MCB Rentals are not paying me or giving me any commission to make this video for them. However, it would definitely be awesome to have them give me future commissions. Hey, so if you're in Ghana, you can simply pick this up at MCB Rentals, because trust me, their services are very professional and really amazing. That is why I'm mentioning them here, because you know what? Anything that will make us together better filmmakers, you know I wouldn't hesitate bringing it to you guys over here. For us African filmmakers, most of us do not really have the money to go out and buy this equipment. So rentals makes the most sense in some of these cases for us to be able to also use this high-end equipment in shooting our videos in any shape or form. But hey, as always, I would say that if you have the money to buy this, this is really a very good investment. Instead of renting, just buy it. But if that is not an option, please make sure to consider renting from MCB Rentals. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, welcome. This is African Amaze channel. Over here, I do talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. If all this sounds interesting, I do much appreciate it if you do click on the subscribe button. Please make sure to do turn on the post notification bell so you are notified anytime I drop awesome content like this right here from the continent of Africa. Click here to watch this video where I talk about video editing. Until next time, as always, guys, keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.